Hey everyone, it's Shauna the Tax Goddess and Chief Tax Strategist for TaxGoddess.com and BigTaxDrop.com. I'm so happy to have you here with us today on our channel, Tax Strategies that Save Entrepreneurs Thousands each year. We are dedicated to helping business owners reduce their tax burdens in all the legal ways possible. Now, today we're going to be talking about 3 things that I want you to do before April 17th, okay? April 17th, which is the individual filing tax deadline. So we're going to be talking about that in today's video. So if this is your first time here with us at Tax Strategies that Save Entrepreneurs Thousands each year, please subscribe to the YouTube channel and don't forget to download our free ebook, 10 Ways to Save 10K Right Now. And of course, you can check out our website at BigTaxDrop.com and our new one, we're going to be talking about it, STCLite.com. Let's jump right in. Okay, the 3 things that I want my business owners to be doing for April 15th, the individual tax deadline. The very first one is file an extension. Okay, this is super important. Now, as you guys know, if you've seen any of the videos on the personal side, filing an extension does not give you time to pay the IRS longer, only to file the tax return. So if you owe the IRS money, you do still have to pay that on April 15th, okay? And hopefully you owe the IRS at least a little bit of money. Hopefully you made enough that you have to pay taxes. That's great. I'm always thrilled to hear that. Of course, we want those taxes to be very, very small, but we do want to file an extension of the time to file. Now, why? Why would I be telling you to do that if you already know how much you have to pay the government? Wouldn't you want to just pay them and get it over with? Well, let me tell you, okay? One of the things that I love about filing an extension, especially for business owners, so for your S Corps and partnerships, that pushes your filing deadline out to September 15th. And the reason why this is so super important is because it gives you and your bookkeeper or your financial team more time to look at the way you've categorized things in this case in 2017. We're working on the 2017 tax filing season right now. It gives you and your team more time to analyze where are things categorized? Should they be categorized that way? Do you want to take depreciation? Do you want to take bonus depreciation? You know, a lot of these decisions that you can still make even though the year is over. Now, of course, in a perfect situation, you would already have a strategic tax coaching plan, right? You'd be working on strategies last year to reduce the overall burden, but there are still some things that you can do after the end of the year, okay? So as you've heard me just mention, I do believe that you should have a bookkeeper. Now, if you're still doing your own books, that's okay, but realize that means that the only person who's giving you any kind of assistance is you in your own mind, right? You don't know everything. As a business owner, having a team is super, super important. And you guys know how I feel about teams. So make sure that you're hiring a good bookkeeper. Our team will put links down below for a quick test that if you're looking to hire a bookkeeper, you can have the bookkeeper do this test to let you know whether they know their stuff or not, okay? So anyway, having a good bookkeeper, having a good financial team to help you look at those numbers, it's part of the reason why I want you filing extensions. Super, super important, besides talking to your CPA, talking to your tax strategist, right? What other things should we be doing? Do we need to change before we actually file the tax return? Now, the second reason that I absolutely love filing extensions, not only does it give you file that extension, that's step 1. Step 2, meet with your team, okay, these 3 bullet points. The third bullet point, filing an extension gives you extra time for most business retirement plans to gather up the money to still put into the retirement plan for a previous year. How cool is that? What do you mean I get to contribute all the way into September of 2018 for a 2017 tax return? Yes, sir, and it's awesome. So sometimes, you know, right around the end of the year, if maybe you bought a few too many holiday presents, whatever that is, you might not have the cash to be able to put all of the money that you want to into your retirement program for the previous year. This filing an extension gives you an extra, potentially 9 months to gather up the cash, gather up the funds to be able to contribute to that plan. So I personally believe that the extension is one of the best tools that a business owner has when it comes to retroactive planning related to their tax return. Of course, if you guys have any questions, I'd love to hear your comments. You know, we get this a lot that, you know, well, my CPA told me that I should not file an extension. There's a lot of really positive benefits to filing an extension. So this CPA thinks extensions are a great idea as long as you pay any money that's due by the deadline, by April 15th, okay? And this year, by the way, it's April 17th. 15th, I think, falls on a Sunday. The 16th is a holiday in DC, which pushes the deadline to April 17th. So you even have 2 extra days to pay any money due. Awesome. Anyway, so as usual, thanks so much for joining us here today. We always want to bring you value in the form of education, entertainment, and or inspiration, and I hope that I've done that. Love to get any questions, comments, feedback, anything you guys have down in the sections below. If you have any topics that you want me to cover, please let me know. I'd be happy to do so. Just make the comment down below. And of course, remember to subscribe if this is your first time here with us on tax strategies that save entrepreneurs thousands each year, the channel dedicated to bringing you this information so that you can reduce your tax burdens in all the legal ways possible, like hiring a great bookkeeper and a great financial team to help you reduce them. Make sure you're doing that. Make sure you're subscribing. And of course, you can always check us out on bigtaxdrop.com and our new stclite.com for more information. So tiny little pitch about STC Lite, okay? You guys know I don't really like the sales pitch. I always try to bring you information. One of the things we've been hearing, if you go to bigtaxdrop.com, that is Tax Goddess. That is our big flagship product. Those things cost $20,000 to create a custom tax strategy for every business, knowing the ins and outs and details and everything about your business, okay? Not everyone can afford $20,000 to get a tax strategy. I wanted to fix that. So we created STC Lite, Strategic Tax Coaching Lite, for the small business owner out there who really wants to save money, needs the same tax strategies as the big guys, but maybe necessarily doesn't need all the hand-holding or the extras that the really big plan can offer. So STC Lite, the base package, starts at $3,500. It's a flat fee. You get all the same strategies that the big boys use. Check out STC Lite. We'd love to have you guys check it out. Give us feedback. We want to help U.S. business owners keep money in their pocket. Can you tell I'm just a little bit passionate about it? So if you guys have any questions, let us know. stclite.com or, of course, Big Tax Drop or taxgoddess.com. All right, thanks so much, guys. Have a great day. Bye.